Hey family, Dad here. Hope you're having a great day. On this video, I just wanted to share I got into a car accident with my new car. So, ouch. I was in an accident with my new car that I got in June, as I shared on a previous video. How bad was the damage? So, mid July, I was driving and I was sitting in my car at a red light, waiting for it to turn green. That was pretty close to my home when a red Chevy Cobalt rear-ended me. The driver wasn't paying attention. It was a younger driver, same age as my son. We both pulled off to the side and exchanged information. Now, luckily, there was no visible damages. I don't think the Cobalt was going really fast, but a few scratches were on the bumper. It's a plastic bumper. At the time of the accident, it didn't seem like there was any damages behind the bumper. Since my new car is a 2023, with all these new cars, there's all a bunch of sensors and things like that around the car. So I just wanted to make sure that there was no damages behind the bumper as well. So we exchanged information. So I called the person's insurance company that hit me. It was American Family, and set up a claim. It was actually really simple because the driver called before I did to set up a claim and just admitted fault, which I appreciated. And so it made things a lot more smoother. And then a few days later, I scheduled an estimate at the body shop close to my house. So I went there, got an estimate done, and it was less than $1,000. It wasn't anything huge. It wasn't anything crazy. The estimator, the person that did the estimate, stated that they would have to remove the bumper to kind of look behind it and just to make sure there was no sensor damages as well when I bring in my car for repairs. So my car went into the body shop on September 3rd. It was done by September 5th. I mean, it was real quick. There was no damages to the sensors. It was just a bumper that needed to be replaced. I had a rental car delivered to the body shop at that time when I dropped off my car by Enterprise Rent-A-Car, and it was really smooth. It was quick. It was convenient. No hassles, no anything like that. And then when I returned the car, all I had to do was just drop off the car at the body shop and pick up my own car when it was done. Although the accident was an inconvenience, it wasn't major. No one was hurt. That was the number one thing. And we all encounter curveballs in life. So things like this are going to happen. But luckily, it was minor, no issues, no hassles, nothing like that. So I was really happy overall with the whole outcome. So let me know your thoughts. Were you involved in a car accident lately? What was your experience like? Comment, like, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So that's all I got. Stay safe, stay happy, and be positive. Love you, Dad.